Hello. Yeah, so we are doing expansion, right? So in the case of expansion, I'll tell you which number we are doing. We'll do from 31. 30, 31. The question is 86 into 86. Okay. 86 into 86 into 86. The name of the chapter is expansion. So 86 into 86 into 86 plus 14 into 14 into 14 by, okay Devpriyo, by 86 into 86 minus 86 into 14, then what do you have? Into 14 into 14. Okay, so this one you have to solve. So this will be A and this will be B. Okay, are you getting the Devpriyo? So it will be A cube plus B cube, sure, by this will be A into A, it will be A square minus, it is what, A B plus this is B into B, it will be B square. Now this is A cube plus B cube by A square minus AB plus B square. Alright. Now A cube plus B cube gives A plus B A square minus AB. Are you getting? Yes. Plus B square by A square minus AB plus B square. Now this one and this one cancel. Alright, these are the same terms, so this will be cancelled. Are you getting? Now what is the value of A? A we have taken 86 and B we have taken 14. So it will be, it is what remaining? A plus B. So A is 86 and B is 14. So 86 plus 14, that is 100. So this is our answer. Alright. Till now, any doubt you have? Yes, sir. Okay, fine. Very good. Sure? Yes, sir. Okay, okay. If you have any doubt, Devpriyo, please tell me. Okay. Yes, sir. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Sir, can you tell it once more time? Yeah, I am telling once time, just a minute. Are you getting? What I am telling you, just a minute. You just see the question. The question is, this is the, okay, you can see though. This is the question. 86 into 86 into 86 plus 14. Okay, Devpriyo? You can see now. 86 into 86, this is the question. So this is A and this is B. So 1, 2, 3. So can I write here A cube? So A cube plus B cube. So A cube plus B cube by A square minus AB plus b square. I have written. Now a cube plus b cube gives a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square by a square minus ab plus b square. So this one and this one cancel. So the value of a is 86. So I have written 86. And the value of b is 14. So I have written. So 86 plus 14, that is how much? 100. Alright? Till any doubt you have? Okay, fine. Now ask the question. Any question you have, you can ask me. Wait. Okay, Devriyo. Now we'll do the next sums. Alright, any doubt you have till now?
Can I copy this?
Yeah, you can copy this. See, okay, are you getting what I'm telling you? Okay, fine. Okay. So, the next sums we'll do. Just a minute. Yeah. Take this. So the next question is x plus if. The question is if x plus y, I am doing number 21, okay, is equal to 4, then find the value of x cube plus y cube plus 12xy. X plus y is equal to 4, then find the value of x cube plus y cube plus 12xy minus 4, okay. Now I write here cubing both sides, because we are finding the value of x cube plus y cube plus 12xy minus 64, okay. So cubing both sides will do. We can write here x plus y whole cube is equal to 4 cube. Now we will apply the formula. Alright here. So what is the formula of x plus y cube? Tell me. The formula is x cube, alright, plus y cube, sure, plus 3 xy, x plus y is equal to 64, alright. Now can I write here? Now you will solve this, okay. So what is the value of x plus y? See, in the question it is given 4, alright. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Till now any doubt you have?
No, sir.
If any doubt you can ask me. Are you getting the concept?
Yes, sir. But can you explain this one more time?
Yeah, sure. I am telling the question is x plus y is equal to 4, alright. Find the value of x cube plus y cube plus 12xy minus 64. So here we have to find the value of x cube plus y cube plus 12xy minus 64. That one we have to find it. Okay. Now what we'll do? We'll do cubing both sides. If you do cubing both sides, then you can see here what I'm telling you here. Just a minute. Yeah, I'm doing cubing both sides. All right. If you do cubing both sides, so it will be just I'm doing present. Yeah. X plus y is equal to what? 4 given. So I write here x cube plus y cube plus 3xy. The value of x plus y is 4. So I'll write here 4 is equal to 64. That means x cube plus y cube plus 3 4s are 12. So 12xy is equal to 64. Alright there, Priyo? So I can write here x cube plus y cube plus 12xy. Are you getting? Plus go that side. So minus 64 is equal to 0. Till now any doubt you have? Any?
No, sir.
Okay. Please write it. Hello everyone. I am a teacher for the question. So we have done 2 questions, right? And we'll do more questions. If you like it, so subscribe and share so that more videos I'll present of this kind. Okay. Next question will move. Okay, next question will move. The next question
Are
is,
you making YouTube?
yes.
Yeah, you are making that video.
Yeah, you actually what I know. Plus you will get in the YouTube also. Are you getting? Not getting? Huh?
Yes, sir, getting.
This one I am making for the YouTube also. Means I'll share in the YouTube, Facebook, right? So the student can be more benefited. Good though.
Yes.
You also get benefited. Suppose if you have any problem. Wait. This is the question. If a plus b plus 2c is equal to 0, prove that a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube is equal to 6abc. This is the question. Till now any doubt you have? Here I'll write. First we write the given part. So what is the given part? You write here given that a plus b plus 2c is equal to 0. Alright. So here you have to write here a plus b. This plus go that side, so minus. Okay, so minus 2c I am writing here. Okay. So a plus b is equal to minus 2c. Now I'll do cubing both sides. Okay. Now you ask the why I'll cubing both sides. I am cubing both sides because in the question it is told that prove that. What we have to do? We have to prove that a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube is equal to 6abc. So I'll do cubing both side. Cubing both side. Alright. So I can write here a plus b whole cube is equal to minus 2c whole cube. Alright. So a plus b whole cube, what is the formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, this is the formula, okay, is equal to minus 2 cube means what? Can write here minus 8c cube. Till now any doubt here? So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b is equal to minus 8c cube. Now you have to solve it. So solve it dear. You write here. So what is the value of a plus b? Here what? Minus 2c na?
Minus 2c.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
This one I am telling. This one. A plus b is equal to what? Minus 2c. So I write here a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. The value of a plus b is minus 2c. So minus 2c is equal to minus 8c cube.
Minus 6c.
Alright. You can see the screen though.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am sharing from Google Meet. Okay. So a cube plus b cube plus minus minus. So 3 2s are 6. 6 a B, C. Okay, this one I multiplied. Alright, is equal to minus 8C cube. Now, what we have to prove? We have to prove A cube plus B cube plus 8C cube is equal to 6ABC. Alright. Now, can write this minus will go that side, so plus, because we have to prove this one. We have to prove A cube plus B cube plus this, yeah. This one we have to prove. Are you getting? So I am writing here A cube plus B cube, this minus will I'll shift here, so it will be plus, so plus 8C cube, minus will go that side, so plus, so 6ABC. So this is our, so we write here, hence LHS is equal to RHS, proved. Done? See once time. Again I will tell you. Till now any doubt you have?
No sir, but can you one more time?
Wait. What did you link there?
Sir, can you explain it one more time?
Wait. Are you getting the concept? What is the concept? Are you getting sure?
Yes sir.
What is the concept? Are you getting?
Yes sir.
The concept is, please read the question, I will explain you.
So which one?
That one, the number which I have done, 29.
The question is, sir,
Will I show?
sir, if I have any problem in the exam, then I can tell you that time.
Okay, tell me. Okay. The question is, if x plus y is equal to 4, read the question. X plus y is equal to 4, then find the value of x cube plus y cube. Oh no, this one I mean. A plus b plus 2c is equal to 0. Prove that a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube is equal to 6abc. This is the question. Alright. So till now any doubt you have? What I have done in the board? Sure?
Yes.
Okay, fine. See, once time you see this question. Are you getting there, Priya?
Yes sir.
ठीक. The question is, if 2a minus b plus c is equal to 0, prove that 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac is equal to 0. Alright. So here we have to what? Prove. We have to do proof. So what I'll do, can I write here? I am writing here 2a, okay, plus c, this minus will go that side, so plus b, because we are proving this one, okay. Now I will do squaring both sides. Why we will do squaring both sides? You know,
Yes, sir.
because it is 4a square minus b square, this is square is there, right? So that's why I am squaring. If it is cube, then we তাহলে আমরা কি করতাম, কিউবিং বোথ সাইড করতাম, বাট এটা আমরা কি করব, স্কোয়ারিং বোথ সাইড করব, ঠিক আছে। তো এটা আমি স্কোয়ারিং বোথ সাইড করব, তো স্কোয়ারিং বোথ সাইড হবে 2a plus c is equal to b, তো স্কোয়ারিং both sides will do, it will be 2a plus c whole square is equal to b square. So we apply the formula here. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? The formula is you know the a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is a square here? So I write here 2a whole square plus 2a. What is a? 2a. What is b? C. What plus b square? What is b? C square is equal to b square. Are you getting? So 2 2s are 4. So 4a square plus 2 2s are 4. 4ac plus c square is equal to b square. Alright. Now I'll write here 4a square, sure, plus this plus will go that side, so minus, because we are proving this expression. Eta amra proof korchi. Okay. So plus will go that side, so minus b square plus c square plus 4ac is equal to 0. See, so here it is verified. See, this expression is coming. Dekhen, are you getting? This expression is coming now. See, so we write here hence proved. Ask me the doubt. Yes, Devrio?
Yes, sir.
Ask me the doubt. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, students. Once time read the question.
Sir, can you go back to the screen?
Yeah, I'll go back to the screen. Just a minute. See. You can see though.
No.
Okay, fine. Now once time read the question, I'll explain you once time. Can I move back?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me. Please read the question.
If a minus b plus c is equal to 0, prove that 4x square minus b square plus c square plus 4x square.
Okay. So here we have to prove it. Number 1. Okay. So here we'll do squaring both sides. What we'll do? Squaring both sides. If we'll do squaring both sides, so finally we can able to prove. Now the question arises, why we will do square? Why we have not done cube? Are you getting? Yes. I am doing square here because the question is we have to bring in the form of a square form. That's why squaring both sides we have done. If it is squaring both sides, then LHS and RHS means left hand side is equal to right hand side, both are proved. Okay, sure? Okay guys. Hey guys, if you like the channel, so please share and subscribe. For more videos, subscribe it. Okay Devrio.
So now you give it
अरे no रे, अरे I am it's a pre-recording. Rehearsal है ना, rehearsal? That accent.
this
Is by using suitable identities, evaluate. Evaluate means we have to solve. Evaluate the Roman number 1 is 103 whole cube. Roman number 3 I am doing, 2 will do homework. 10.1 whole cube. This is the question. Alright. So 103. So 103 can I write 100 plus 3 cube whole cube, because we are expanding it. Alright. So I write here 100 plus 3 whole cube. Alright. So a plus cube, what is the formula? A cube, what is a cube here? 100 cube.
100 cube.
Okay. Plus b cube. Alright.
Yes.
Sure. Then I write here
Yes, sir.
3. A is what? 100. Sure.
100.
What is B, dear?
Yes, sir.
3.
3.
Then again I write it 100. I am writing the formula. Alright. So 100 cube means, so what is the formula, you know? So will I write the formula? The I formula likh
Yes,
dichhi.
sir.
I am writing the formula. I am writing here using A plus B whole cube. It gives A cube plus B cube plus 3AB A plus B. Alright. So what is A cube here? This one. What is B cube here? This one. 3AB. What is this one? And A plus B. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Now we will solve. So 100. This will be how many 0? 1. You solve this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This I am cubing doing, okay? Plus 3 cube means 27 plus এটা তোর হয়ে যাবে তোর 3 3s are 900. Okay, and it will be 100 plus 3 103. Okay, now it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 27 plus 9 103 into 900. If you multiply কর কত আসছে? How much coming by multiplying? Okay, I am multiplying. 9 3s are 27, 9 0 0 2, 9 1s are 9. How many 0? 2 0. All right, it will come 9 2 7 0 0. Add kor eta. If you add, it will come 109. Use calculator, no problem. I am using calculator. 109 2727. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Back any doubt থাকলে বল.
Yes, sir.
Hey guys, if you have any problem, please ask me. So please read the question. Yes, children, please read the question. What is the question? Hello? Yeah, read the question.
Okay.
Evaluate.
Find the coefficient of x square and x in the operator x minus 6 plus 7 x minus 4.
Yeah. So what we'll do here? We will apply A plus B cube formula. The question is 103, right? So 103 we can write A plus B whole cube. Okay, A plus B whole cube. So A plus B whole cube means we are applying the formula and
Yes, sir.
we are solving it. Okay. So we will move to the next sums. That is very important. The students who are preparing for the ICSE board exams as well as ISC, so these sums are very important for you because this is the most important part of algebra. So, or preparing for the joint entrance or any other exams, competitive exams like railway, SSC. Okay, so like and share. Okay, next sums will move. Fifth
Sir, can you see the screen?
Huh?
Sir, upwards.
Acha, wait, just a minute. So the question says 10.1 whole cube. This one we have to evaluate. So how to evaluate? I'll write here 10 plus 0.1. If we do 10 plus 0.1, it will come 10.1. Okay, whole cube. Now we'll apply here a plus b whole cube formula. Alright, so what is the formula for a plus b whole cube? I am writing the formula. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. A plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus b cube. Yes, what is the formula? Plus 3ab
Plus 4b.
and a plus b. This is the formula.
Plus.
I'll just put the values and nothing else. Right? So what is here? A 10. So 10 whole cube. What is b? 0.1 whole cube plus 3. What is a? What is a? 10. And what is b? 0.1. And what is a? 10 plus 0.1. Now we'll solve it. 0.1. Okay. So 10 cube means what? 1000 plus 0.1. What I'll do here? It will be, if you multiply, it will come 0.001. Are you getting? 3 tens are 30. 30. That means 30.3. Okay. And 10 plus 0.1. That means 10 plus 0.1 is how much? 10.1. Alright. Okay, fine. Now I'll write here 1000 plus 0.001. Okay, plus this you cut it because I have done this one. Okay, 30.3. So all you'll add 1000 and 30. If you add, how much come? Use calculator, no problem. It will come 1030.301. Okay, this is the answer. Next sums will move. This also we have done. The question is, if next question we are doing 22, if a square plus 4a plus x is equal to a plus 2 whole square, find the value of x. Alright. So here we'll write what is given. This is a square. First, what is given we write here. This is given a square plus 4a plus x is equal to a plus 2 whole square. Alright. So can I write here? Just a minute. Can I write, this is plus, okay, a plus 2 whole square. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so a square plus 4a plus x is equal to a plus 2 whole square. So we can write here a square plus 4a plus x. What is the formula plus a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Alright. So writing the formula, it will be a square plus 2a, this is b, plus b square. Alright. So a square, here we have to find the value of what? X. Are you getting? This is the question. The question is a square plus 4a plus x Are you getting? Read the question, I'll tell you.
Sir, which number?
That one only.
Huh?
That one only. Are you getting the question?
Yes, sir.
Please read the question and explain you.
Find the product of the 20 number.
Yeah, 20 number.
Find the product of the following. Number 1, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3.
Okay, fine. So, see the given part of the question. The question is a square plus 4a plus x, a plus 2 whole square, right? So, what we'll do here, a plus 2 means whole square means this is the formula a plus b whole square. The formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square, alright? Now, here we have to find the value of x. What we have to find? The value of x. So, the given, what is the first part? A square something given now, the first part of the question. Wait, I'm back to the, I'm just back to the screen. Yeah, the question is a square plus 4a plus x is equal to this. Here we have to find the value of x. So, a square plus 4a plus x. So, a plus 2 whole square means what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Are you getting? Sure.
Yes, sir.
So, find the value of x from here. You can find the value of x.
Yes, sir.
Okay, find the value of x. Hello children, this is a special class for you for algebra. So if you like and subscribe, if you like this channel, प्यारे बच्चों, यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है, क्लासेस पसंद आ रहा है, तो आप लोग शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि और बच्चे पढ़ सके। और बाय एडुकेशन, शिक्षा ऐसा माध्यम है जिससे हम लोग सब कुछ हासिल कर सकते हैं। बाय एडुकेशन वी कैन एक्वायर एवरीथिंग, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। ओके, देवप्रिया, आर यू गेटिंग? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this for m, yeah, okay, fine. Okay, so a square plus 4a plus x is equal to a plus b whole square. So a square plus, are you getting? A plus b whole square means what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So I am writing here a square plus 4a plus x is equal to a square, 2 2s are 4a plus 2 square means what? 4. Are you getting? So this one and this one cancel. Sure. This one and this one cancel. So the answer is x is equal to 4. I hope the concept is clear. So the final answer will write x is equal to 4. Alright. Okay, once more I am telling. The question देखो, question chilo, if a square plus 4a plus x is equal to a plus 2 whole square, find the value of x. তো দেখ এখানে আমি কি করলাম, a স্কয়ার প্লাস 4a প্লাস x ইজ ইকুয়াল টু a প্লাস 2 হোল স্কয়ার, মানে এখানে আমাকে x এর মানটা বার করতে হবে, x এর ভ্যালুটা বার করতে হবে। তাহলে a প্লাস b হোল স্কয়ারের ফর্মুলা কি? a স্কয়ার প্লাস 2ab প্লাস b হোল স্কয়ার। হ্যাঁ, a স্কয়ার প্লাস 2ab প্লাস b স্কয়ার। সো দেখ আমি এখানে কি করলাম, এখানে আমরা করলাম দ্যাট a প্লাস b হোল স্কয়ার মানে কি a স্কয়ার প্লাস 2ab প্লাস b স্কয়ার। তো a স্কয়ার এন্ড a স্কয়ার কেটে গেল, 4 and 4 এ কেটে গেল, তো x is equal to 4, এটাও আমাদের হচ্ছে आंसर। ঠিক? Okay, so this is the question. The question is x is exercise 3.2 I am doing from Emil Agarwal. Okay, if x minus y is equal to 8 and xy is equal to 5, find the value of x square plus y square. Okay, so here we have to find the value of x square plus y square, এর ভ্যালু বার করতে হবে আমাদেরকে। ঠিক আছে, সো I'll do x minus y, এটা given, is equal to 8. Are you getting? Now I will do squaring both side. কি করব? Squaring both side করব এখানে। Squaring both side. Alright, so it will be x minus y whole square is equal to 8 whole square. So x minus y whole square means what? It will be, what is the formula? What is the formula, Depriyo? That. Are you getting? The question is, what is the question? Please read the question.
Sir, yeah, which number?
That one, what I am doing.
Yeah.
Read the question. X minus y, yeah. X minus y is equal to what? 8 given, na? So what we'll do here, we'll do squaring both sides. What we'll do here, squaring both sides. Are you getting? Okay, fine. We'll back to the screen. Back screen, back. You can see the screen though.
Yes, sir.
So I write a minus b whole square. এটা তো হয়ে যাবে a square minus এটা তো হচ্ছে 2ab না, তো 2ab plus b square. 8 square means what? 64. All right. So I write here. Are you getting a doubt here till now? Okay, fine. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do one thing. This you cancel it. Okay. This one you cancel. I'll do this same sums I'm doing. Just a minute. It is given na. Find the value of x square plus y square. We'll do in another way. Okay. So here what is the given part? X minus y and xy given na. So there is one formula that will do x square plus y square is equal to. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So can I write here? The question is x minus y is equal to 8, xy is equal to 5. So here we have to find the value of x square plus y square. Okay. So x minus y, I'll squaring both side korbo. So x minus y whole square, it will be. Are you getting? X minus y, a square plus b square minus 2ab. X minus y, what is the value? 8 given. So I write here 8 whole square. You can do in this way also. It is easy hobe. Right? It is complicated chilo. So x square plus y square minus 2xy. What is the value of xy? 5 though. So 2 into 5. So 8 8 is 64. X square plus y square minus 2 5 is about 10. So I write here 64. This minus go that side, so plus. I write here. So this is the value for x square plus y square. 64 plus 10, that is how much? 74. This is our answer. Are you getting? Any doubt you can ask me. Again I am telling, again I am bolchi. Chilo eta x minus y is equal to 8 xy. So I'll do x minus y means a minus b whole square korlam. Formula hoche a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I am just putting the value. A minus x minus y মানে কি 8 put করলাম, x square plus y square এটা তো বার করতে হবে ভ্যালু, 2xy, xy ভ্যালু কত 5, তো 2 5 are 10, so 8 8 is 64, so x square plus y square minus 2 into 5 10, so 64 minus go that side, so plus, so 64 plus 10 how much 74. Done. দেখেন any doubt থাকলে বল।
So one more time you understand.
দাঁড়া, just a minute. Yeah, what is the question dear?
If x minus y is equal to 8 and x is equal to 5.
हाँ, if
find
x
square plus y square.
if x minus y is equal to x minus y is equal to how much? 8 is there, right? Yes. Hello. X minus y is equal to 8 given, and what given?
And xy is equal to 5.
Xy is equal to 5. So what I have done? X minus y, the x minus y whole square. So that means a minus b whole square. So what is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square, you can write minus 2ab plus b square. Alright. So a square, I have just put it the value. See, x minus y, I put it 8 square, 8 whole square. After putting the value, we are getting the value of x square plus y square. That's it and nothing else. Okay. So if you like, okay, if you like this class, then press the like option. Okay, don't give dislike, and share and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, we will move back to the screen. দেখেন any doubt থাকলে বল, কি আমি আবার বলবো কোশ্চেন? আমি আবার বলছি, দেখ শোন ভালো করে শোন। x minus y is equal to 8, হ্যাঁ is equal to 8, xy is equal to 5 আছে, তাহলে x minus y whole square করলাম আমি, ফর্মুলা a square plus b square minus 2ab না, তাহলে x minus y এর ভ্যালু কত 8, তাহলে 8 হোল স্কয়ার করলাম আমি এখানে, আর এটা হচ্ছে তোর x square plus y square minus what is the value of x y y, 2 5s are 10 করলাম, তাহলে 8 স্কয়ার মানে কি 64, তাহলে x square plus y square 2 5s are 10 মাইনাস এটা ছিল, তাহলে মাইনাস আমি ওই দিকে নিয়ে গেলাম, তো মাইনাস দিকে গেলে কি হবে প্লাস হবে, তাহলে 64 plus 10 that is 74. In the question what they are asking, in the question we have to find the value of x square plus y square. So here we have got the value of x square plus y square, that is 74. All right. The next question is, we are doing number 3. If 2a plus 3b is equal to 7, right, and ab is equal to 2, find 4a square plus 9b whole square. All right. So in this question we have to find the value of 4a square plus 9b square. So here what I'll do, here I'll do squaring both sides. All right. So you write here squaring. Are you getting or not getting? Now don't do squaring both sides. I will do in a easy way. Okay. So I'll do 2a plus 3b whole square. What is the formula plus a plus b whole square? এটা বল আমাকে।
a plus b whole square.
হ্যাঁ কি formula বল, a square plus 2ab plus b square না? So the we will write here a square means a square plus 2ab. What is ab? Can write here ab, দা লিখে দে, plus b square, এটা হচ্ছে ফর্মুলা, না সরি এটা a square হবে, ঠিক আছে, a square plus 2ab plus b square, writing the formula. Okay.
Okay.
একটা কাজ কর, do one thing, তাহলে you write here using this one, এবার এটা নিয়ে নে here 2a plus 3b whole square. Okay, it gives it gives, tell me, it হচ্ছে তোর a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab. What is ab? What is a here? 2a. What is b here? 3b plus b square, মানে 3b whole square. All right, তাহলে দেখ, what is the value of 2a plus 3b? 7. So I write here 7 whole square. Acha, 2 whole square means what? Here to have to find the value of 4a square plus 9b square. এটা বার করতে হবে, কি বার করতে হবে? 4a square plus 9b square ভ্যালু আমাদেরকে বার করতে হবে। তাহলে আমি 2a whole square মানে কি 4a square লিখতে পারি, প্লাস 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. I লিখব 12ab plus 9b square. All right, are you getting? Girl and boy both. দেখ, please don't talk, please. So देख 7 whole square means what? 49 can I write? देख, तो I write here 4a square, 4a square, all right, plus 12ab plus 9b whole square. All right, so here in the question we have to find the value of 4a square plus 9b whole square. All right, so that what is the value of ab? The value for ab is what? 2. ठीक, पहले 49 is equal to, are you getting, 4a square plus 12. What is the value of ab? Babu, what is the value of ab?
A into B.
The value of ab? Yes.
You said it.
I am telling what is the value of ab?
The value of AB is 2 into 3B.
2 into
3B.
ab is what?
A is 2A and B is 3B.
The value for ab is 2. All right, so I write here 2 plus 9b whole square, so 49 is equal to 4a square plus 9b whole square plus 24. All right, so here in the question it is asking we have to find the value of 4a square plus 9b square. এটা করতে হবে, তাহলে আমরা এখানে লিখব 4a square plus 9b square 49. So plus go that side, so minus হবে এটা. All right, তাহলে 4a square plus 9b whole square 49 minus 24 is equal to how much? 9 minus 4 how much? 5. 4 minus 2 2. So this is the answer. All right, okay. Till now any doubt you can ask me? Okay, fine. So they yeah, so if you have any doubt you can ask me. All right,
One more time, can you understand?
yeah, I can teach. I am telling you, if you have any doubt you can tell me. Please read the question. Read the question.
If 2a plus 3b equal to 7 and ab equal to 2, find 4a square plus 9b square.
Yeah, so you back to the screen, just a minute. Yeah, देखें ने a plus b whole square, so that a square, are you getting? A plus b whole square, that. So here I'll do, I'm just putting the value 2a plus 3b, that it is given 2a plus 3b, are you getting, is equal to 7. So I'm just writing 7 here. 7 whole square is equal to 4a square plus 12ab plus 9b square. So 7 7s are 49. So 4a square plus 9b square. the value of AB is what? 2. So 24 হয়ে যাবে, তাহলে 4a square plus 9b square. So 49 plus go that side, so minus 24. তাহলে 4a square plus 9b square is equal to 24. Are you getting? Till now any doubt you have? Okay. So everyone, so this is the last sums we have done for today class. If you like the class, then subscribe and share it so that to get latest notifications. Okay, I hope the concept is clear. Thank you.